The overall project is not welcome in this riding. It's been challenged by a number of groups, several of them environmental, many resident organizations, and frankly is the wrong project in the wrong location at the wrong time. Nevertheless, we're faced with dealing with it here. It's been approved by the Liberal government. The incumbent, of course, supports it. It's also been supported by the New Democratic Party, the incumbent Liberal, and supported by the New Democratic Party, primarily for the jobs that are produced from it. However, those jobs in and of themselves are, frankly, the majority of them are construction, short-term positions. The plant itself promises will bring temporary foreign workers in to do the startup once completed, probably for a 2-year period before handing it over to trained personnel on site. Two major concerns with the LNG plant. One is environmental, the impact of both the transit through the sound of operating tugs. I believe, my understanding is that each tanker will have at least 3 super tugs, up to 5 super tugs, to guide it through to pilot it through the sound. It is the disturbance, the noise of those tugboats that impacts the marine life within the waters. Another major concern, the aspect of concern is safety itself. While it has met certain standards, it's questionable whether it meets international standards for safety, given the transit of vessels of this size with this product on board, and its relationship to the residential community that surrounds on the hillsides and mountainsides that are on the planned route of the tankers themselves. So very much a concern, something that very few residents have indicated any support. In fact, I've seen no support for this from anyone. West Vancouver on the south end of the Sound and Squamish on the north, all expressing concerns regarding the issues pertaining to the safety and environmental impact of this project. I received a report recently from a constituent on Bowen Island. There are 3 zones should there be an accident and a fire occur as a result of a blast of a ruptured tank and a fire to follow. There are 3 zones. Her statement was her daughter goes to school in zone 1, they reside in a zone 2, and transportation on a ferry is in zone 3. In other words, her entire family and life are potentially at risk should such a disaster ever occur.